Well, something many Memphians find themselves in need of is legal services, and it can often be expensive to hire an attorney. Well, West Tennessee Legal Services offers free legal help for anyone needing civil legal help. Joining me today is attorney Claudia Hyman. Welcome. Good to have you with us.
Thank you. So glad to be here.
So I understand West Tennessee Legal Services offers legal help for consumer housing, elder law, victims' rights, and more. I'd imagine that kind of legal service is important to a lot of people.
Absolutely. I would also add family law as well. We provide assistance with a variety of legal areas. I tend to tell people if you have a legal issue, you should at least stop by and we'll see what help we can get you.
Right. And unfortunately, because of finances, you can't help everyone, but people out there can help by donating. How can they donate to West Tennessee Legal Services?
Great question. I would direct all inquiries about donation to our website. We'll make sure to get you to the right people. Our website is WTLS.org.
Okay. And there are also volunteer opportunities for both attorneys and non-attorneys, I understand.
Yes.
What kinds of opportunities are there?
Well, one that I'm very excited about, mainly there'll be our legal clinics, and so we actually need help from attorneys, non-attorneys, law students for our legal clinics. One of them this weekend will be helping folks with expungements and restoring their citizenship rights. But we also have other opportunities where if you're interested in volunteering, we certainly have a need, and we have a way that we can help put you to work in terms of serving this community.
All right, and you mentioned that expungement clinic this weekend. What is the process to go through an expungement clinic?
Absolutely. So we have a process for intake and pre-registration that occurs before the clinic, but I don't want to deter anyone. We will be accepting walk-ins. Essentially, you will come in. We have a host of volunteers that will be there to speak with you and conduct an intake to make sure you're eligible. Then you'll speak with one of our volunteer attorneys who will kind of help walk you through the eligibility, give you advice on what your options are, and then we'll send you over to volunteers we have with us from the Shelby County General Sessions Court Clerk and the Shelby County Circuit Court Clerk, who will be on staff as well to help folks who are in need. Okay,
and anyone qualifies?
Well, not exactly. So with expungements, if you have any dismissals on your record, if there were any circumstances where you were found not guilty or a prosecution declined to move forward with prosecution, those are almost always eligible for expungement. Once you get into convictions such as misdemeanors or felonies, that takes a little bit more analysis, but we can definitely help you figure out if you are eligible and if you're not yet eligible, when you will become eligible.
Okay. And if you're once you go through this expungement clinic and the expungement happens, does that mean you get to vote automatically?
Not automatically. So, you know, there are places in which that is the case. Some people do believe that, you know, once you complete your imprisonment in terms of your sentence, your record is automatically expunged. Unfortunately, it is not as simple for us, but we do walk folks through the forms process to obtain their records and see sort of what is on your record and to move forward with the expungement through the clerk's offices.
Okay, very good. And the clinic is tomorrow morning at the Levi Library on South 3rd Street. It starts at 10 o'clock.
Yes, ma'am.
Voter and citizenship restoration will also be available. What is citizenship restoration?
Yeah, so when people are convicted of felonies, I think some people know that you are becoming disenfranchised in terms of your voting rights, and there are other rights as well, such as the right to act as a fiduciary. This could be a situation stepping in as an executor during an estate, for example, and those are rights that are taken away from individuals after they're convicted. However, folks who go through that process and they've completed everything that's been required of them from the courts, we help them to the extent that's possible clear up their records and then move forward with the application and forms to restore their rights.
So you definitely need an attorney's help with this.
Yes.
And this is free. And this is free.
Absolutely, it is free. I also want to give a big thank you to the Memphis Bar Association Access to Justice Committee under the leadership of Chair Constance Brown, who has sort of brought all of us together for this great clinic tomorrow, and we really hope that we see folks and that they come out.
All right, very good. Again, thanks very much for coming in today. Again, this is Claudia Hyman with West Tennessee Legal Services, and good luck tomorrow.
Thank you so much. Come on out, y'all.
Okay.